How to track edited, voided, or aborted invoices. Tracking invoices that have been edited, voided, or aborted is important to make sure they have been modified for a valid reason. To start, go to the Reports area. You will see the 3 reports here. They are labeled Invoice Edit Summary/Detail Report, Voided Invoice Report, and Aborted Invoice Report. We will start with the Invoice Edit Summary/Detail Report. Choose a date range at the top. Any edits made during the date range will be shown. Under Revision, you will see a count of how many times the invoice was edited. The Employee column will show whose PIN was used to make the edit. If you have disabled entering a PIN when navigating through Encore, this will just say Master User. You will also see a column called Reason. This will show any notes that were added when the invoice was edited. If you check off Detail, you can see a comparison of the invoice before and after it was edited. Next, we will look at the Voided Invoice Report. Click on Back. Click on the Voided Invoice Report. Choose a date range at the top. You will see a list of invoices that have been voided. For clarification, an invoice is classified as voided if it is finished completely before being deleted. The Employee column will show whose PIN was used to void the invoice. If you have disabled entering a PIN when navigating through Encore, this will just say Master User. Finally, we will look at the Aborted Invoice Report. Click on Back. Click on the Aborted Invoice Report. Choose a date range at the top. You will see a list of invoices that have been aborted. For clarification, an invoice is classified as aborted if it is deleted before it is finished. We have now finished going over how to track invoices. Thanks for watching.